Hello everyone. Today our drug of discussion is a drug that mainly acts on mucous membranes. There are many other remedies like bryonia, alumina, Kalium, but the differentiating points decides the drug. Today our drug of discussion is Bichromicum. The common name of Bichromicum is potassium bichromate and the chemical formula is K2Cr2O7. It is proved by Dr. Drysdale of London. While coming to the miasmatic background, it covers all three miasms, but the syphilitic miasm is dominant. And the people of Kalium are nervous and irritable. And with relationship with heat and cold, they are generally chilly patients. And it is prepared by the process of trituration. While coming to the sphere of action, it mainly acts on digestive system and respiratory system, causing inflammation, polyps and ulceration. While coming to the action of fibrous tissues, it causes destruction and acts on the periosteum, which is the lining of the bone, and causes swelling. While coming to the kidney, it causes inflammation and ulceration. And it also acts on liver, causes inflammation, hypertrophy and fatty degeneration. Acting on skin, it causes pustular eruptions. While coming to the ailments are from beer, hot weather and autumn season. After the consumption of beer, we observe the gastric complaints in the people of Kalium. And during hot weather, there is prolapse of uterus. And during autumn season, the diarrhea sets in. While coming to the general constitution, it is most suited to the people who are fleshy, fat, with light complexion and people who are subjected to catarrhal problems. While coming to the characteristic symptoms, the discharges of Kalium are stringy, ropey, yellow, profuse, sticky and dried. The pains in the Kalium are in small spots. This symptom is also seen in oxalic acid, and there are wandering pains, which means they shift from one part to the other. This symptom is also seen in Kalisulf and pulsatilla. And there is neuralgia, which daily occurs at the same hour. And there are gastric complaints, which are alternated with rheumatic or respiratory complaints. The time modality of Kalium is 2 to 3 am. And there is a pain in throat, which is extending to ear. While coming to the uvula is edematous and inflamed. This symptom is also seen in Apis mellifica. And the ulcers of Kalium are deep, perforated, round, punched out with overhanging edges and thick crust. While coming to the particulars, in head, there is headache over the eyebrows and there is aching and fullness in the glabella. Glabella is the region between the eyebrows. And the bones and scalp feel sore. While coming to the eyes, there is supraorbital neuralgia, which is especially on right side. And there is inflammation of the parts of eyes like keratitis, desymatitis, conjunctivitis. And the discharges from the eye are yellow and ropey. While coming to the ear, there is otitis, that is inflammation of the ear, and there is sharp stitching pain in the left ear. While coming to the nose, there is snuffles in the children, especially fat and chubby babies. And there is pressure and pain in the root of the nose, and the septum of the nose is ulcerated, and the discharges are yellow, ropey and stringy. And there is coryza with obstruction of nose, and there is violent sneezing. There is anosmia, that is loss of smell, and sinusitis. The pain in the nose extended to the frontal sinus causes sinusitis. And while coming to the face, there is florid complexion and blotchy red appearance, and the bones feel sensitive. While coming to the mouth is dry with viscid saliva and mapped tongue, red, shiny and smooth, and dry tongue during dysentery. And there is sensation of hair on the tongue. While coming to the throat, it causes mumps, that is inflammation of the parotid gland, and there is pseudomembrane deposits on the tonsils and the soft palate. While coming to the stomach, it causes nausea and vomiting after consumption of the beer, and it is suited in the suggested in the ulcers of the stomach, and there is stitches in the liver and spleen which radiate to the spine. And there is desire for beers and acid even though they causes complaints, and there is dislike for water and they can't digest meats, and the gastric complaints are ameliorated after eating. The gastric complaints are alternated with rheumatic complaints. While coming to the stool is jelly-like, gelatinous and worse during morning, and the dysentery with tenesmus pain and sensation of plague. While coming to the urinary symptoms, there is burning in the urethra after micturition, and the characteristic symptom here is a drop seems to remain which can't be expelled. While coming to the males, there is itching and pain in the penis, and there is syphilitic ulcers with cheesy tenacious exudations. While coming to the female, there is yellow tenacious leukorrhea, and there is prolapse of uterus in the hot weather. While coming to the respiratory symptoms, there is profuse yellow expectorations which is very gelatinous and sticky, and there is bronchitis and cough with a pain in the sternum which is extending to the shoulders. While coming to the extremities, there are wandering pains along the bones which is aggravated by the cold, and the left-sided sciatica is ameliorated by the motion, and it is suited for syphilitic rheumatism which is also seen in mesothelium, and the pains are in small spots. While coming to the skin complaints, it causes punched out ulcers and pustular eruptions with burning. While coming to the back, there is cutting pain through the loins. While coming to the heart, there is dilatation associated with renal lesions. While coming to the modalities, the aggravating factors are beer during morning and hot weather and undressing, and complaints are ameliorated by heat. While coming to the remedy relations, it can be compared with antimtat, bromium, hypersulf, calcareous carb and antim crude, and it is antidoted by lachesis and arsenic. Thank you for listening.